Saan tayo today? Hey Wanderers, ready na ba kayo for a steak and ramen date in one place? Tara, explore natin ang T-Bone King at Ryokai Ramen. Dito lang yan sa may Mahogany Avenue, Tagaytay City. Perfecto for celebrations, anniversary, special days, o kahit simpleng date night. At walang hassle kasi may wide parking space dito sa tapat. Sa loob, very chill, maraming tables, air-conditioned, at minimalist rustic ang design. Cozy ang vibes, tamang paparelax habang kumakain. Labas mo naman dito sa side ay may biglang Japan feels. May mga lanterns at festive lights. Picture perfect nga yung spot na to. For today's date, cherries. Ito yung mga tinaray namin. Ang ebi tempura bento meal nila, crispy outside, masarap with sauce and salad nila. Yung best seller T-bone steak nila, tender and flavorful. Yung sushi rolls nila, fresh at sulit sa sarap talaga. And if nag-crave naman kayo sa sashimi, meron din sila dito. For refreshments, panalo yung kanilang yogurt drink. So, pinili namin yung blueberry and passion fruit. Very refreshing and perfect talaga after ng meal namin. Ang price ng foods nila ay mid-range, kaya sulit na sulit para sa quality ng food at ambience. And they also accept GCash payment. And soon gusto nga namin balikan yung ramen nila. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng perfect spot for celebrations, punta na sa T-Bone King at Ryokai Ramen sa Mahogany Avenue, Tagaytay City. Open sila from Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. See you here, Wanderers!